Alright, so my people, we have some things to get here because I not lie, my people, this morning Dyema come out wicked and angry same, you know what I mean, and him wife get some item, my people. It's like, me no know what go on with Dyema last night to this morning, but me I telling you say people, Dyema unleash for CM and him wife. You see me? And more asking a question with people. I don't feel like say there ever be a point where CM I go come back and people accept him, because remember you know this right now you know film thing social media, a film thing and him wife thing that them build them foundation on. You understand? So I don't feel like say that him can come back in at the space. The wife still, you know what I mean, it's just a matter of time before she get full effect and they back in at the space and nobody not too you know what I mean, deal with her enough no type of way. But for him more know uno think. See, we're gonna get in with Dyema office about him. Also Pretty than talk about our relationship. From yesterday we see that one, but me still have to go another one of my people. Pretty than talk about our relationship what she have with a girl or lack of. You see me? Cause it look like say Pretty than pursue the female, but the female now give her the time what she would have want. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get into that and world come talk you know what I mean, him friend save him, my people, in the wickedest way, and him friend save him and him almost go dash with him 3 points. You see me? When I go hear what him have to say, and him say him want, you know what I mean, go to the Almighty, you know what I mean, change around him life and do all of them things there and start serve the Almighty. You know what I mean? And you see me? More to tell more to think. So also my people, the husband, right, is like him a get asked some question like whenever the in any bangarang with nobody, is like nobody never see him really step in and step up and try to, you know what I mean, defend her in no type of way. I'm gonna make no hear what him have to say. You see it. So pan a level still my people, the man now go really involve themselves every time them woman get in a certain argument. You know what I mean? Sometimes them we take it up, but some man them now go try involve themselves in it, right? Only if you go to the extreme now, then we whatever. So more to tell more to think my people. We're gonna kick it off with Dyema and then we get in the rest.
Monkey face blood clot to same rally face I don't spot in it. I know I really bring it on, but I wonder Dyema come here. You know say same walking to the 2 times I'm only God. Guys, use it 2 times. Guys, use it 2 times, man. You come over your son there. Guys, come on, man. Stop from the business place, man. Anyways, now, Dyema, you know, some feel say any man will join the army, something they come like something wrong with them over here. 3/4 man may join the army over here, that they turn back man or they head start chip or something to them, you know. No head now blood clot. You say look girl pay back Crissy. Nothing more than same man. I must think Crissy get too old for him. And then imagine the last Crissy when he liquor. That's what okay. So little girl that back Crissy. Nothing more than him probably grow. Nothing more than him probably grow Crissy. I feel like Crissy too old. So you little girl pay back Crissy girl. Same around that take a blood dutch and bust up your blood clot head nasty dutch. Me no want to say in the Jamaica road behind there. Oh. Say my brother blood clot brother. Guys, I wish party in there. Guys, before me can't have my mouth, which party in there? I take live. You want that one too. We go buy that and I want to show you take live. I can't talk about people. I have to say my blood clot. Say my brother said thing, you know, because I say brother when you're really blind. I will see all out of this man. We're going to start. I will just see Dyema up here. Dyema, so me can't chat up my good look out. Dyema up here. Yeah. And I just one plane away. Yeah. But we had to go into blood clot if you know what time we get the potty. That look boy they figure know look styles. You can't see look blood clot, look there are boundaries to keep. There are boundaries to keep. Listen up.
If me get one forecast, my brother, me now come out.
Me share. Me have kitchen blood clot done myself.
Him run a cut take camera. You see me mother always tell me say no. You see anything what two black never blood clot. Would you say two of them black like a black style line? Shoes polish face boy when you come out and chat. You know be talking to me because you have a woman that day nearly blind him. How we
and them blood clot,
you know.
Afraid of the boy with blood clot. I'm not promote that.
Bro man, me share
we don't promote nastiness. Although me a nastiness myself, but me a class in a nastiness. But some people don't understand them they look levels. Thank you my babies, no try no best and take diamond nuggets.
No man, buckler, don't really take me nuggets in 200.
I can't believe it, girl.
I chew me the cuss, you know. I chew me the cuss. Bro man.
No, but if it's true, you have to go down. And Crissy need to contact to because the people them need to hear what they go along.
Yeah, them
Not try that boy, they look like I want to start you do a diamond.
Alright, that's it.
Alright, nobody I choose Sunday pan him. I choose Sunday pan him, sorry. I choose Sunday pan him, girl.
That's how we take the camera off. Leave me blood clot fish about that. That's how I take the camera off. I know what you see. After hide him.
I saw it going on. Sometimes you have a boss.
Oh, me no know what I'm Crissy now. I mean I know. I see one video, you know, I see one video when say Mara touch it and I say, he like going grow big. See the pin grab it and ease up a little bit. And then the pin they give him some kind of pin. I say, where you put it on around me for? Then here Crissy come out. It's time to go fast. If I watch your body language, just like I really like when he put it. But so why see Mara me go and me can't be see Mara really caught up in this.
But I love how Crissy dress, but in turn me off right now. I'll vomit one for me. Guys, 3 rows. Everybody send a rose, please catch it speed. There's a time and place to everything. I'm not supposed to know how him pitney do, what time and place, how him pitney move, how where him pitney go.
Alright, come here, boss. If you pitney afraid of Crissy, why would I go? If you pitney afraid of Crissy, that means Crissy have bad pitney and I run him. Why would you go to school but tell teacher? That means they're afraid of him, I can't tell him.
Maybe he thinks that the mother, maybe he thinks that the mother depend on the boy's side.
You don't say Olas, you don't say Olas.
You say triple. Me go in blood clot. All I know study and I run with the business place.
Olas with the banks.
You say triple.
Thanks.
You say no diamond.
You know man. You know say Olas maybe all me crutches me tell me.
But that's all everything me tell mine too. You don't know. I could have vomit me have to call and tell. Use the triple chart. How much is it? Somebody can use the triple.
Why me give you $1,000? We don't have enough. I have 50 and I fear go down and buy okra. I go buy okra. Me can't give you $1,000 one time.
She not worry nothing for true. Me not ask you. So what you saying?
Me not like how you
want. I want a picture. I mean, come here, so come tell me every day say me a title. When I go, I'm going to explain myself to you, say why was I telling you all that I was a title. When I go, I'm look at explanation. And I don't see truth.
And then say Crissy post one video. I don't ever know new video in a wedding ring still. And what kind of real? Nobody know what Crissy.
So, don't ever meet him and meet him for a battery doll ends. Because I just say they give me that.
Some people, me not lie, that I'ma come out. Me not lie, that I'ma come out. But people, you know, me know say this youth here let down a whole heap of people. And that's why you know people, you are going, you have to, if you're in a relationship with a woman or you're in a relationship with a man, me feel like say if there's a youth, like even a step youth involved, even if a real youth, me feel like say there needs to be a conversation. You see me I say even though, you know what I mean, I know everybody are going to do them foolishness them. I feel like say there need to be a conversation, like you have to sit down and talk to your man, you have to sit down and talk to your woman and say, yo, don't you ever put your hand on these youths, this and that. You know what I mean? Like something like, you don't really accuse nobody, but you just lay down the law certain way and I make them know what is what. So if that are they ever come in at them brain, them have that way you did say to them earlier on. See, you know what I mean? Get them in back in line. You understand me? I say this is such a messed up situation. I mean, no say the woman look away. You understand me? Because enough of the time things are going in the household. Because enough uptown yard them something are going in my people. You understand? And true, enough of these people don't want the scandal and them way them kind of don't like pursue certain actions. But my people, from the youth them involved, the youth them to be protected at all times. And me no feel like say nothing else will come before the youth them. But me know only thinking in the comment section we are going to watch some more.
Relationship, because you must can't find another man you know ugly.
Somebody said that here says a generational curse.
Okay, murder.
We'll eventually do it.
My poor Kina, how I really they cause this? Generational curse?
What no? How would they say she can't say nothing because when things in a court? They say when things in a court you can't say anything.
Evidence.
I'm foolish is a match like foreign court. If you type in blood clot same and go up on Google, you can read everything when they go in the court. Yeah. Foreign court and media. I live. I mean they are court live in the media. So I fuck them tell me about cancer and everything in foreign the media. You see other day man in the court live in the media.
Crissy have too much pitney to be honest. Pitney if you have if you have pitney, but if you know if you control them.
No man have not too much.
You know if you control and look over them and know what they call in the house.
That's not too much. About 5 people.
My mother have 6.
What about 5? Oh, 5 people.
I look on none of people them never touch nobody.
Why say man I'm going to pull on female that British pants then if you have sense? I'm saying. Oh. When I run joke with no man at all, no pitney. I'm busy I put out. Nah. Maybe come right. I put out. I ain't go see a lie. Go see a lie. Pitney I tell the pitney go make a lie there.
Pitney friendly. Can have feelings too.
No look up pitney I watch that meeting time. I know look up pitney I watch forever.
Bands later I go Baba me audio. I go live up on the seaside. I make me see myself spoil and also late.
Yeah. Dog start. I remember dog shoot me over a wall, you know, bro. And two of me turn the idiot in the dog. Go back over. God,
you frightened, man.
I'm frightened, bro. You see me, dog? I'm going to go back over the wall, bro. And the man say, oh, what you doing? And he push me back over there. And so he jump come over there, bro. Then it's a big...
Oh, so push you over there first. Push me over there first.
And then two, me then in a situation, I'm... Dog, me a touch dog, I go back over the wall by myself, dog. And then he must say, dog, like he must say, Father, what you do? I saw if you go. I saw now, I catch back myself, you know, like...
Yeah.
Catch back myself now, you see me? Me there in a shop, bro, you see it, so... I catch back myself now, dog. I saw me and him over there, bro. Dog, tie up me and then sit me there.
That's right.
You know.
You can comment over there, not yourself.
Yeah, bro. So, dog, be there, bro. Hey, don't do that. Dog, be there with me through everything, bro. Dog, matter of fact, dog, help me, dog, save me, bro. You see me? Dog, save me, dog.
Big up Biggs.
It's like God take over Big's body.
You see me?
And start work. At them time they know your true friend, them, you know, right?
Yeah, dog, you dog not run left me, dog. You dog be there with me through everything, bro.
TJ, that run left you.
Nah, sir.
I covered, man.
We don't know what happened in our time. Yo, things like that, bro. As what the man says, see dog say, yo, get thrown over a wall and then still jump back up. And then tell they have the hand same way.
Yeah.
When you jump back up, that for sure you say in a shot, bro, you panic everything. Amount of things probably.
Then time their skin alone, then time their skin and then time their arm alone, I hold up my hand. My arm right after dog. All the piece of the skin there.
All the phone call, me hear phone call. Hey, me say that woman there. Which woman that?
Watch me later, you know?
Me say
Them bring down the woman.
Me a two man.
yeah, woman, but calm down. Hey, woman, what's up? Hey, woman.
You see when me start set so dog, I'm try move my finger them and she say you can't move and it. And this when me start pass out. And me see my finger then. Cause me I look for myself, you know, dog, I bleed out, you know. And you know, like you run and then you run get slow, dog, and the breath. Yeah, my breath no more, dog, you see me? So me did I'm try and say, water, bro. Can't feel my breath, brother, but it's good still, dog, you know. We left.
So one point you feel like you say, yo, John, I eat this?
No, when me reach, but yeah, me did say, I know I eat this, but after that, me did say, the last thing me remember, me say, dog, me love me to my son then.
That's a boom boom.
But
I your time, bro. God never
the last thing me say, bro. Me say, Father God, me know me I got this, but Jack, I just want to see my son them one more time. See him, so me say, I find this, me no remember nothing, bro. Me just say, God, me love my son them, bro. You see me? And this, so me no remember nothing, bro.
See, anytime I think for doing no just think about your family first.
Makes sense. Gotcha. Well, let's say they are still.
Yeah, bro. I'm glad to, bro. I'm glad, dog, you know. Something did that I lose my friend and I have to live with, but you don't know. Dog, just I go and hold it, you know, dog. Yeah, bro. And I see my better, dog. I'm not going to.
Some people, some of the time you live life and you not really the consequences of your actions, you know, and go do some things where change your life forever. Cause right now world dog life change. You see me? And as me say about the entertaining part of the life, that I figure put on pause till maybe a couple more months because me know say you have to heal up that the shoulder the first, and then after him heal up the shoulder, you know what I mean, him have to really get over everything where happen. You understand me? Jano Star, wish him all the best still. You see what I say? And boy, my people, if sometime you can take back some things, but that can't happen, you just have to move on with him life. And if him feel like say, cause him say him gonna give him life to the Almighty and something, so him still have to look over him shoulder. You know me I say, him still have to look up, him can't just say, oh, you know what, me stop them thing and really, if damage done happen already. You see me, so him still have to pray. You understand me I say? Jano Star. Boy, the people want to tell more the thinking in the comment section. We're gonna watch some more, man.
Stay in my backyard no more, bro. Now go live life.
Yeah.
Now go take some trips, bro.
Yeah, bro. I don't know why
because, bro, you see me, you stay in my backyard, dog, and go lose everything, bro. It just never feel good, dog. When I'm in the hospital, me I say, dog, me not go nowhere yet, bro. Me young and me not go nowhere yet, dog. I promise myself, bro, I'm gonna start take care of my health, take care of myself on some trip, bro. Take care of myself, bro. Because you're out here taking care of other people, dog, so they just be a giant pie, you know? So any idea, bro? You have to start take care of yourself, TJ. Yourself, bro. Carry yourself for some place, bro, you know?
Oh, well, I would think about yourself, you know, and a selfish, you know?
Yeah, and a selfish, bro. I just think about yourself, bro.
Yeah.
You mean? Yeah, bro.
Now put yourself first, dog.
Yeah, you have money like to enjoy. Like, what the point of making money, bro, and then you just gone. You don't get to enjoy it the right way, dog. You see me?
I always say that, brother.
You don't get to enjoy one life all of that.
I always say that. The day
all this money you just no, dog. Enjoy your life, dog.
Me always say that, brother. Always.
I don't know about it. I'll make all his money and I enjoy yourself. Me not no money, so the part.
No, you don't want
A little way you have, just take one little time for yourself.
I enjoy. Like you said, go on the trips them. Cross some different place, brother. Go some island. drink some pina colada and then sit there.
Chip for me and a rebel. If you come a foreign, don't leave up by Jamaica. Nice. But feel like to my core, you can see man enjoy himself, brother.
Yeah, bro. Big up yourself, bro. Enjoy yourself, bro. Bro, me say, yo, TJ, me have a plan, you know, that me a take me a Ramesh and Ding Dong have a plan, everything, you know.
And me a break
All the
up.
song. Yeah.
Me a come back to Jamaica Thursday.
And me a break up.
Yeah, break up. When me left Jamaica Monday, I'm supposed to come back Thursday, you know, bro.
Bro, Rebel, what kind of Wi-Fi that?
Yeah, bro, me a Ramesh and Ding Dong make a plan already, bro. Me a come back Thursday, we a do a video and everything, bro. Me a come back to Jamaica Thursday, bro.
I bet you never wanna go up there.
And you know what
also,
I'm
they come and deal with. Because I that
Close
sister
me
self
come
to
for.
deal with.
I close me come for.
Baby.
A Ding Dong say, hero, don't go up in and I say, Ding Dong. You know, say, me youth, me now miss no month out in life, and my son got turn 4 months.
Oh.
And me never want to miss it because the dog got turn 4 months. You see me? So me I say, bro, I want to do that for every month where the dog up. Like, I want to do it 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. I want to do it every month the dog there. You see me? And Ding Dong I say, bro, don't go up, bro. Stay.
Yes, Crissy tell that part there for sure.
And me I say, bro, I have to go up because the dog got turn 4 months thing and I don't want to miss it. Plus, me I come for clothes because I run out of clothes. And the dog I say, alright, bro. I say, Thursday, me I come back, bro. Thursday. I mean, I wake up back until the Thursday.
Ramesh, oh yeah, circle me, and give me no lion.
Yeah, bro, I see him, so me I say, bro. Thank you so much. Yeah, bro. This one. Put them in the bag. Yeah, bro. Bro, man, I enjoy myself at Jamaica, you know, bro.
You see that, man?
Bro,
Jamaica is nice.
Yeah, listen to me, bro. I carry much money at Jamaica and I only spend 500 US. Switzerland I spend, Ramesh I spend, everybody me grow dog, they just take care of me, bro. Me got a club them, Switzerland say him must spend. Dog, the dog just show me a good time.
Them type of friend them on the road, you know.
Eh?
Yeah. Yeah, type of friend them on the road.
Everybody wants you, Jaden. Look why.
You see me? Yeah, bro. Me dey run the dog them. The dog them must say hero, just build man. You know yourself. Money for TikTok, but I just want to enjoy myself. That Ramesh them, Ding Dong, Switzerland, Lulu, them money no make me spend, bro. I carry back every money from Jamaica in a same bag and go out with the bag at night and we just stop dog. And me know get into details and everything because I can't, but
Yeah.
God love me, bro. I say God is real, dog. What situation I'm yo, me, dog. Me know for there right now, dog. Not talk about the bullet, bro. Me know
No, you're
for there,
for there, brother. You're for there.
but God, bro, God I say, dog. Me not ready for the angel yet, bro. God I say, not ready for the angel yet, bro.
Why TJ want your Ramesh say? You will never hear TJ say him spending.
Who says so?
Ramesh.
They're ready for send by the bottle of champagne on by him.
And I tell him that after I want to take back his clothes.
Why?
Yeah, that boy, oh, boy, I want to mix up. I'm tell you something, mix up on that time. I'm tell you something, you know. I say, I'm so rubbish, man.
Something wrong with you, my youth. I tell you something wrong with him. Something wrong with him. I tell you not what I'm not here.
Yeah, let's see about the giant still, because TikTok didn't miss me, you know, dog. And when you don't come live, Swiss never come here and I tell you, say, well,
No, Jaden, no miss your blood clot. See, and just see Facebook, just all over when you talk about miss. And see, when you talk about TJ, you come here with a miss mode.
Me not hear you.
No, me I say, just say to TJ, I say, miss me, but you say, what?
Like TJ, I don't know what TJ I say. DJ make your man get in rest and everything, bro. Man, man fit up back and everything, the dog.
DJ, stop at town airport, you know, bro. And buy Rasta Tam, Rasta belt and marina, so me I can tear up the internet, you know, bro.
Chano.
Buy everything, every Rasta suit, everything. So me I come from Jamaica, can tear up the internet, bro. Cause we get to start over dog and the people, yeah, you know. So me say I come back to Jamaica, me I come back from Jamaica, can tear up in it. But me show you dog, see every step back is a major comeback, you see me?
True.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Me too. The best thing I'm gonna do, bro, to heal up at the stay for internet for 1 week, dog. You see internet? Yes, when you heal, you don't need the internet. Internet will sick you more. I'm gonna tell anybody this. Just by what people saying about you what not real, we sick you more, bro.
Yesterday, me talk about that, brother.
Negative energy.
Yes,
yeah,
man.
bro.
You see when time the internet a beat you and you not true and you go through your little problem, dog, it will sink you more. The best is to stay off right, dog, and get your things together, bro.
True. Yeah, shut it out. Real, a facts.
Yeah, bro.
Facts.
Real talk, you know?
John, know my people, boy, that's why them say when man a plan, the Almighty a wipe, you see me, but the greatest thing, the G is still alive, you know what I mean, him have to just watch how him a move and know where him a say and all them things there, you know what I mean, R.I.P. to him friend who drop out, boy, me hear the man talk the story how him bridging should be more over a wall, my people, and the man say him jump back over. No star, boy, my people. Me know say that I go ever in the G mind as long as him living, or him can't go forget that, you know, especially like how him friend drop out and all the events will happen. You understand what I say? I know say enough of the things that will happen, him can't even remember to how fast it happen and the adrenaline a rush. No, so people make watch some more,
You will mess with the mental, dog.
Yeah, bro. Mess with you, bro.
Sometimes just take no matter how much positive comment preach or they say you just read one negative brother.
One talk your vibes in everything. One.
So never customer call us sometimes just one show off everything.
Everything.
You know, some people love you, people love you, and then they just get one and say, you know, I like that boy there. And not alone just for all mates, bro. So I'm gonna tell you just.
But sometimes some people say some things where you have to watch that.
True, man. I understand the feeling. People in the comments not really understand still. You see me? Because them not do what we are do.
Real talk.
More time for true, man. One comment.
You have to strong, brother. You have to strong.
You have to strong for real, bro.
Beat when me get to blood, please.
That's true. No matter how much good you do.
That's why we don't really come live, you know, bro. Because you see people, bro. People got all the things to say, you know, bro. And you know, some people we go with it and some people we play like watch him over there so I laugh and his friend just dead and he sitting there. You know, people, bro. When nobody now watch it, one somebody we come, bro, and say that watch him over there, so bro. And then one people we catch two. And the two are going to catch three. And the two are going to get four. Then they turn on a big 4 foot.
It's like an infection. They just infect each other. Everybody just run with it. I say go for true.
Yeah,
like
bro.
it just spread now some
Just spread, bro. Yeah, bro.
Right, you have to be strong, you know, man.
Bad. I have to prepare myself mentally before. I know every time I come live, I'm going to prepare myself mentally first.
Sometimes it's strong, sometimes it's strong, but you know, you can't hold it. Because them people don't know if you hold no medicine, no man.
Right doing that, but me feel like you do that. Me feel like you don't do that in the dog. Cause me know say you did it for your woman in the dog. Cause people say you not really did it. Majority of the situations them dog. Bro. But the same thing we just say nah, nothing at all for say. They never hear you talk. So every situation you know nothing for say. So you don't talk.
Thank you. Bro, listen, look for your brother. All them motherfucking situations I'm right there. That's all me go say.
That's true.
Yeah. Chance big up and say my friend, what go on? Even when the situation no matter, I'm right fucking there. The situation with them and them things, with the family and everything, I'm right there. I just made that, my dog. It's when they know better,
nothing to say.
You just have nothing to say, bro. I have no work list. Me not support more man. She mind me. All I want to say, yes, I want to work with who I work with. I want to work with who I work with.
And me get where so when they put it that way there now. Me get it where.
You get it, me
yeah, like.
Me just work it so, bro. What me I gonna do again? Me now come here so come blood clot current. No big people mindset. Your man and picking there saying a charge.
Okay, everybody if smart I know what is what and X, Y, and Z. And make sense out of nonsense.
Anything when nobody wants to pan me, then go on with that bumbo club. I could care zero.
Bro, but just
only time I respond me dog, as me tell you, I like when it affect me real life.
Yeah.
You see from me see my you them a smile my dog, me good.
Yeah, gov.
Me great dog. Me great. Me just want to see them a smile dog. I mean alright. We go through too much in our life to worry about what people have to say about me dog. Me can tell you that. I did you see what people have to say? I turn me into the man that me is today. Yeah? My name hard to spell and easy if you call. I don't like that. I'm never do that.
Yo, fly, big up yourself, you know. Bro, then just go and keep him out like and just go have nothing to say, bro. But
bro, you know this is me say about me a reason. You tell this RJ. It's when I try to walk righteous, my dog, as me tell you, nothing not go pretty in the world I feel.
Yeah, bro, even like a about situation though, I see from with there still.
Nah, pretty, me not ask nobody that.
That people just say I just really energy for the level in the dog. Is it that I be late I broke your bumbo club.
Time, brother. Oh, I'm getting me social media active like one time. You think I look at the time lock up this bumbo club and say in your life, me a pre brother. I'm going to focus on my life and see what I go on out of this arena. Responsible on me like that, bro. Actually, I know me have some real people on your dog. Find the beginning of time why me even start TikTok in the first place. Is it me?
Clean and girl, your clothes to walk on. You any bumbo clad thing, me clean the toilet too.
The kind of infatuation that me no want to find. Look it, I'm pretty, I'm not gonna lie. Cause it distract you and hold you down.
Because I think about that too much, you true?
Yeah.
I look at well done stand for true.
Yeah. And incidents in there reach you have to dry with yourself and protect your heart and your life. You stay comfortable in your own place and alright, at peace.
But our job too, you know, because she have a very demanding job, you know.
So
hey, my people, on a level still, you know, we have to say about Pretty Dan still, you know, Pretty Dan try with them girls still, you know, but it look like say it never work out for him. Pretty Dan love to deep, my people, big woman thing, you know what I mean? Me can remember the first girl when me know Pretty Dan did there with before she did with her wife, a big drama with that the girl. Cause come like that the girl did one man same way, and then this one when got married to, you know, she do a good thing for her still, but at the end of the day, come like say, a be about Pretty Dan used to get. Pretty Dan need to see the red flags them and acknowledge the red flags them, and either she go work with it or allow it, because at the end of the day, the red flag them what she miss, I go mash up the relationship at the end of the day. Big woman thing. Yes, I say, so she must know what she want, because you are going, if a person love you and check for you, that the person they are gonna make time for you, no matter how that person is busy, them are gonna make time for you. You see me? So make watch some more.
you don't know if I the job or she really another time.
Yeah. Kavi, no matter how your job hectic, you can have 5
When
minutes.
you're in love and when you're in the person, you're gonna make time.
People make time for
make
them.
time. Yeah, make time. True. That is true, Pretty.
Because Eva said, you know, I'm busy. Cause this is going with me and that. If you don't respond to me, it's like you basically don't give a fuck about me. That's how I see it.
That's how I see it too.
When you somebody just start talking, man, run your down for say, baby, eat. How's your day going? What you do? You know what I mean? Just like how you feel if you reach out to her, they would have feel that way towards you. You know what I mean?
Anything else somehow we get to blood clot take boy them never did a running and the girl them never did a running and we running from them we just want to feel. So my time in the cover you just want
them show with the signs them and we want like we're blind.
Yourself, all me know anything when me get my blood clot take. Cause no boy not gonna ever take me.
No, no smoke, but me can't go. Crissy. I don't want Crissy if we can.
The boy them never show no sign. I just like them cause them different from you know.
Somebody said probably the person that's like my vibe.
Guys, I'm not telling me lie. Or invitation. Guys, don't tell her if you send a request.
Yeah, I have a new girlfriend. I just never talk about her yet because I don't know.
Hello.
Hi, Ling.
You come, if you didn't call me blood clot, then a while ago I was gonna trace you. I was gonna cuss you.
What's up, Sarah? This chat.
So my team, everybody wants to leave the girl alone. Want to say don't try, none at all.
What's up, Sarah? This chat.
Sorry, she want me.
What's up, Sarah? This guys.
Ravi, I text and say you want
no, just slide. Just take time, GIF, and see if you reach out.
You know, and that's just like her, you know, that me try.
But that you have to do, you have to suppress your feeling. Like,
yeah, and drift and see if she reach out.
Like your back, we have to just work with if you know say people then are like.
What's up, Sarah? This chat. Let's go.
Hold your own, bro.
Yeah.
That hard the fuck, me can't tell you hard the fuck. But what have to do, you have to do.
Yeah, for all your own to see if a woman will reach out and see if she really likes you.
I think I need for January money, I need to start
like this. Night time in my house here because of this woman here. And you know, I wake up and she not text me and it hurt me a fuck. I can't even tell her I said hurt me like it hurt me bad. And when I say hurt me bad, girl, bad like me a bad.
35. Jesus Christ.
Not all too much.
5 more guys. 4 more. 2 more. 1 more black tank on Jesus Christ.
I can't make sure go out. God no, me have to try again.
No.
Double try, use a double.
But she don't work. So I guess that's why she not. But as a Kavi say, she must get find time somewhere, somehow. So Kavi, you think that she will find?
Guys, we can't share up live, man. They have gloves morning. Now she beg you and Galaxy on the spinner, baby.
Well, Anna, alright, Kavi, she a US soldier, she a Marine. So her job is very demanding.
She can't even fix you.
Alright, Kavi, that's why I like talk to you, Kavi. I like reason with you. Because you understand when your blood clot got you.
Pretty than one thing I have to say. You have to know the red flags them and just know say yo, you don't have to work with them because later on that will cause problem in your relationship. And 2 things you know if you buy me people, love and friendship. You see me? So if you feel like say you have to buy the woman or buy the man, you left it alone because only problem that you buy. You see me? So pretty than you've been around the world a long time. You know what I mean? I've been in the world a long time. So you know when a love is genuine from when it's not. So people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, just so I got end it.